My name's Lawrence+Miller. I came here today to talk to you about a couple of things. One is the Kangen ionizer water machine. It is the gold standard of the industry. We don't bash any of our competitors. Since we're the gold standard, we're kind of like Mercedes-Benz. They don't bash their competitors. They only talk about their car. We're only going to talk about our machine today and how it has helped me. This is not a testimonial. It is really my experience with Kangen Water. I've been a type 2 diabetic for 12 years. In that 12 years, I've tried everything possible, anything that you could think of, to try and cure my diabetes. I lost 60 pounds. I've tried every supplement, and nothing worked. Approximately 7 months ago, a friend of mine knew that I was diabetic, and he told me about the Kangen water. And he said, try the water. It could cure your diabetes. Well, at first I was really skeptical, but he was a friend of mine, so I decided to try the water. He said he would give me water for 2 weeks, which he did. And after 2 weeks, I noticed that my blood sugar level was down quite a bit. That's the best it's ever done for 12 years. My diabetes was so bad at that point that I almost had to go on insulin. Once I seen this, I told my wife, I don't care what that machine costs, whether it's $1,000 or it's $4,000. We got to buy one, which we did. And that was approximately 6 months ago. After 3 months, my diabetes and my sugar level was almost normal. About 2 weeks after that, it was normal. And I got a blood test from my doctor, and my blood sugar was normal. So that took about 4 to 4.5 months. And I'm still drinking the water, even though he took the medication away from me. And my blood sugar is still normal. That's a miracle. Isn't that a miracle? I've tried everything. I mean, that is incredible. But that wasn't the end of it. Because I've been diabetic for so long and I've been taking medication for approximately 12 years, my kidneys were beginning to fail. They were bad enough that I was just a point away from doing dialysis. So I kept drinking the water. And after another 2 months, my kidneys came back to normal. Isn't that incredible? Came back to normal. Normal for somebody that's 75 years old. Just remember, my kidneys have been filtering my blood for 74 years. So they're not going to be as good as somebody that's 15 or 20 years old. But for 74, they came back to normal. That's unbelievable. And that's just because I decided to drink the water. Now, there was 2 miracles that happened here. The first miracle was I ran into my friend who told me to just drink the water. because it could cure your diabetes. At the time, we didn't know that my kidneys were on the verge of failing. So I drank the water. That's the first miracle. The second miracle was my diabetes came back to normal and my kidneys came back to normal. That is unbelievable. And the water, I know, is helping other things in my body. You see, what the water does, it takes the clusters in water, which are usually 25 to 30 molecules per cluster, and it breaks it down into 3 to 5 molecules per cluster. And because the molecules are so few, it allows the water to go into the cells and clean the cells out. It's also high in antioxidants, which also keep free radicals, which over a period of time destroy your cells. The antioxidants, because they're so high, they neutralize the free radicals and keeps them from destroying your cells. And by just cleaning my pancreas cells out, it allowed my pancreas to produce more insulin. And by cleaning out my muscle cells, it allowed my muscle cells to accept the insulin now because they're clean. Prior to that, when they were all clogged up and they were acid, they were insulin resistant. Now they allow the insulin in. And my kidneys are back to filtering again. What a miracle. I could say that's 3 miracles, really. So I just say to people, try the water. It's just possible that it could cure your diabetes, or if you're having kidney problems, or maybe any other thing that you got, like arthritis, high blood pressure. Who knows? Whatever you got. Just try the water. There's no miracle drug in the water. There's nothing in the water. It's just water. Try it. It's not going to hurt you. If anything, it'll heal you. Once your body is in a balanced alkaline state and not dehydrated, your body will heal itself. All that happened to me was I took my body, which was dehydrated, and I hydrated it with the water. And I did that by cleaning the cells out, getting the acid out, getting all the toxic material out of my cells and my pancreas. And everything started healing itself by itself. Isn't that amazing? I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just going to make some suggestions. My suggestion is if you're diabetic, have kidney problems, arthritis, anything going on with you, try the water. You have nothing to lose. You have everything to gain.